films.
Yes.
Your first movie in Kannada is
Yes.
Vikrama.
Yes.
And superhero Punit Rajkumar.
Yes.
Tell me that experience.
I think Puneet sir, one of the nicest people I've worked with, one of the kindest, nicest people. It was hot sun on the first day, I remember, and I had just shot this ad with Dhanush all night, and I had taken the morning flight and gone. That was my first day of shoot, so I was really sleepy, but I was pretending to be like wide awake, and it was hot sun. We were outside the temple barefoot. So he actually told the director, he said, "Why don't you quickly finish her shots and send her home? It's so hot. We don't want to keep her in the sun." And he said, after that you shoot with me, no? It'll get like post 12 o'clock, it'll get really hot. You shouldn't keep her here. And I was just looking and I said, a superstar like him, and I'm a new girl, I haven't debuted yet in Kannada, and he's so nice, and he actually meant it, and they said, quickly finish off her thing and send her home, send her to the hotel, let her rest. It's too hot for her to be out here. And I thought that was really sweet, but as we kept shooting, I saw that his niceness radiates onto everyone. He treats his staff so well. Any person, he's never said no, I figure, to anyone who asks him for a photograph. I thought that's really kind, and it is the audience that makes you really successful. But for a superstar like him also, if anyone says, can I have a photograph, he never says no. Even if it's after shoot, before shoot, during shoot, I mean, as long as it's not disrupting the shoot, but he never says no, I won't, or he never acts like I'm the superstar. Very humble.
So, what are the best things about the shooting of Rana Vikrama? Any remembering?
That Airchillu song, I think. I've never shot a fantasy song before, and again, Puneet Rajkumar is a brilliant dancer. He also does those flips and all. So I was quite nervous. I'm going to dance with him and all the next day. So I practiced my steps 200 times and all, and I reached on set. And I think that song, people are really liking it. I really like the song. I really like the way it's picturized. Whoever I've shown it to has really liked it. They've given me these 4 very different looks from the 1880s to present times. I've always wanted to be part of that era, so I got to do that in Rana Vikrama.
Pawan Vadaya, the director of the Rana Vikrama, and he's on hat-trick now.
Yes.
How is it working?
Good. No, I'm part of everyone's hat-trick. I was part of Nitin's hat-trick with Heart Attack. Now I'm part of Pawan sir's hat-trick. And no one is saying I have already got a hat-trick and little more, no? But no one's talking about my hat-trick. But it's good because when you're part of someone's hat-trick, you're also responsible for you're part of their success also, which is really nice. Pawan sir had said it's a huge responsibility for him, this film, and it's an action movie, and he's delivered googly, and that's been really liked by people. So this had to live up to that and probably go beyond, because it has Puneet Rajkumar in it. So I was nervous because being a heroine in the movie, being your first movie, that's the first time the audience see you, so they either accept you or reject you. It's a hit and they've really liked me, so thank you, Kannada audience.